disadvantage in front of you?
Yeah, so this one is a shave horse. So it's a foot-operated clamp. You'll see a few of them around. Glen Rundle will have one, and there's a few other chair makers and bodgers that'll have that. When this plate goes on here, and this one Glen actually made. I borrowed it off him at Kyneton one year. I didn't have I have one. I'd broken it. Yeah, so that's what, and then you just release it, spin your item around, and so you can use it very quickly. And you're often using a draw knife or that spoke shave there. Yeah.
That's interesting.
So that's the shave horse. And they're quite a few years old. The shave horse.
Yes.
Probably been using them for a couple of thousand years.
Not that old.
Yeah. Oh, well, the Romans. Yeah. No, I myself, much older. Aging well. Yeah. So just using a little wooden block plane with a sharp blade, and that's what's doing all the shaping on this here. Just getting it nice and dangerous looking, but making it safer than actually it was before. That's great. All ready for the health and safety inspection. Oh no, so the parents, the mums usually, but sometimes dad, the kids are definitely not the health and safety inspectors.
Definitely not.
Yeah. Sometimes the kids are the finance department, though. You'd be surprised how many kids have been saving up.
So Tim, do you make the swords originally or?
Yes.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yeah,
everything.
So, all made out of recycled pallets.
Oh, great.
Pull them all apart. And then, do the joint on them. So it's a little half lap joint at this level. On my Knights range, they become a double lap. On some of these, so they're double lapped around those swords. So it's all jointed work. My son has done a lot of these because he's doing his apprenticeship in furniture making, which is the same apprenticeship that I did. It was when they started saying we want stuff to we want it designed and to last only 2 years, that I went, I don't want to be a part of this trade anymore. So 20 years ago, the furniture industry in Australia pretty much died. There's still a few high-end furniture manufacturers, but I designed and made a bed for a client and delivered it to Sydney. It was a $10,000 bed.
So there seems to be a roaring trade going on with swords today.
Oh, is there, John?
Yes, swords everywhere.
Hey, Brody.